A first-year student from Arunachal Pradesh living in South Delhi's Lajpat Nagar area was beaten to death by a group of residents. This incident took place on the 29th of January in South Delhi. According to his family and friends, there was an altercation with a shopkeeper in the neighborhood that escalated. Police picked up 18-year-old Needu Tanya. He's a first-year student studying in Delhi. He was dropped back after some time to the same locality. The shopkeeper and his friends got together once again and thrashed him once again. Needu Tanyam died of his injuries in his room in Green Park Extension in South Delhi late yesterday. His body has been kept at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences mortuary. This account of the incident has been given by the family. The Delhi police say they will wait for the post-mortem report before taking any action. Headlines Today's Atir Khan now joins me for more on this story. Atir, this is shocking, this is disgraceful. What can you tell us? What have the Delhi police been able to piece together about the circumstances behind Needu Tanyam's death?
Well, what we are learning from our sources, Gaurav, is that the police is trying to piece together the statement of eyewitnesses to, arrive to a conclusion what actually transpired. But what we know is that initially the police response was not very satisfactory because he was dropped at the same place and then again he was beaten up. We know, Gaurav, there is already a Northeast cell in the Delhi police which is dedicated to look into the complaints of students and people from Northeast.
Yes, there is a Delhi police cell. In the Delhi police, there is a Northeast cell which is supposed to look at problems that students from the Northeast face and solve them. Mukut Methi, former Chief Minister, joins me on the phone line. Sir, what can you tell us about this incident? What do you know so far, sir?
No, this is very unfortunate and unwarranted incident which could have been easily avoided. Altercation or verbal altercation take place, but it doesn't mean that the people should do the physical beating on a young student who ultimately has succumbed to the injury. So
what is it that we've been able to find out about this particular incident? And you've been campaigning relentlessly. You and people like you have been campaigning relentlessly to ensure that students from the Northeast are not harassed. But this takes harassment altogether to a different level, sir.
So that's why, at Delhi administration, under the new, the government and then Delhi police will have to be more cautious about such kind of incidents. And they should, take precautions for, so that in future this kind of incident doesn't take place. The Delhi police should immediately should be made themselves available to such places where this kind of incidents take place. They should try to save the people, from this kind of incident.
As a member of parliament, would you raise this issue? Would you ensure that something like this never happens again? Delhi police should be held accountable. They are still not coming clear with what all transpired, sir.
So I do not have the detailed account of how the incident has taken place, but then the fact remains that a young life has been lost. So therefore, the Delhi police is supposed to, take all these precautions because such kind of incident has taken place earlier where the people from Northeast were given a beating and, or the unwarranted treatment. So, and then the Delhi police and the Delhi administration are aware of this and Mrs. Sheila Dixit, the Chief Minister, has, tried to, take precautions. But despite this incident had taken place, I think the new government should be more, informating about information about this kind of incident, and then, put a mechanism in place so that such kind of incident reoccur.
Stay on with me for a moment, sir. Let me also bring in Mona Lisa Arthur. She's assistant editor with the India Today group. Also with me, Sanjay Takam of the Congress Party. Sanjay Takam, what can you tell us about this incident and what needs to be done to prevent incidents like this in future, sir?
This is not a new thing of discrimination for the people of Northeast, especially Delhi and elsewhere in India. Because of our natural mongoloid look and because of our hairstyle and the dresses that we put on, if this is the situation pouring in everywhere elsewhere outside the Northeast for the students and for the youths of Northeast, and if this is the humiliated discrimination against mongoloid stock and elsewhere, how will India grow? If
Absolutely.
This is the situation, the inaction of police to register a case at Lajpat Nagar, where the incident took place, is another a conspired situation of the Delhi police. Yes. And also the Delhi government's inefficiency to handle the situation. Till now, no arrest has been done, no FIR has been registered. If this is the discrimination for the people of Northeast, how will I represent them in Delhi? Yes. And we have raised this in Parliament. Many occasions we have had meetings. There used to be a lot of sensitization programs. I personally took the initiative.
Yes.
However, that is not paying any dividends. And if there is a Gundaism of attacking on people of Northeast, then where will we live? Where are we going heading for?
You are spot on. You are spot on there.